So you got a Crosstrek with an FB20. It's got a oil leak, and it looks like it's coming from the rear main seal. Possibly. It's dripping down back there. This is most likely the reason. See that cable right there? That one. It's next to the water pump. Follow that back under the exhaust, and you'll see there is a sensor right there. See that sensor? That is the oil level sensor. That usually is the reason it's leaking. There's usually a trail that goes to the back of the engine, and it makes you think that there's a rear main seal, but it's not. So change your oil level sensor first. You got to lift the engine up, take off the engine mount right there, both sides, and then you can access it. You might want to take the exhaust off. I don't know. Depends on your skill level and your size of your hands. You got little hands, but big problems. This is your job. Here is the part number for the oil level sensor. And here's the sensor. It's got a little float inside there. It's made of plastic. There's the O-ring. And there you have it. Very simple, one wire with a ground. Okay, I got the engine mount off here. Loosened up this one. Lifted up the engine here. I also took off upstairs on the top. I took off the upper engine dog bone, or the torque rod, whatever you want to call it. And there is the oil level sensor. And you can see, well, I cleaned it off a little bit, but you can see where the oil trail goes back there. It could make it look like a rear main seal, but it's just this guy right there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. There it is. This O-ring is the reason why it leaks, and also this area right here it can leak out of. So we're going to change the whole thing out. Looks like it came apart here too. There's a new one. Okay. Sure, the tab is right there, facing that direction. I'm gonna run the wire up over here. Put the bolts in and drop the engine back down. Good to go. And thanks for watching, guys. Help other people out, leave a comment and a like. The algorithm will pick up its pace. Drop this video in the Crosstrek and Impreza forums. Help out the homies.